Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify SNMP monitoring configuration for VPS performance, detailed guide step by step clearly.
Begin by logging into your virtual private server using SSH.
Once logged in, confirm that the Simple Network Management Protocol, or SNMP, is installed. Use the appropriate package manager for your server's operating system. For Debian or Ubuntu, you can run sudo apt-get install snmpd. For CentOS or Red Hat, use sudo yum install net SNMP. Next, ensure that the SNMP service is enabled and running. Use the command system+status snmpd to check its status. If it's not running, start the service with sudo system+start snmpd. Then, configure the SNMP daemon to allow monitoring. Open the SNMP configuration file located at /etc/snmp/snmpd.conf.
You may need to edit this file to set the community string and access controls. Make sure to restrict access to authorized IP addresses only.
After modifications, save the file and restart the SNMP service.
Test your SNMP configuration to ensure it is functioning correctly.
From your local machine, use an SNMP tool like SNMP. Run the command SNMP v2cc your community string your VPS IP address.
Replace your community string with the string you configured.
Replace your VPS IP address with the actual IP address of your VPS. If the command returns SNMP data, your configuration is successful. For further verification, check specific performance metrics.
Use SNMP to request specific OIDs related to CPU and memory usage.
Monitor these values over time to assess VPS performance. Incorporate an SNMP monitoring tool for continuous oversight. Tools like Zabbix, Nagios, or Cacti can provide detailed performance graphs. Review and adjust SNMP settings as needed based on performance insights. Finally, document your configuration for future reference.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.